Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's get right in today's topic, which you can tell by the title. It's regarding none other than Kaspa. Guys, Kaspa continues to shock me and continues to give me that FOMO feeling, like always whenever I look at the charts and I see, I missed out, I think, of the biggest opportunity of this year and of course this upcoming bull cycle. But again, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. If we're looking at the markets today, you know what a great day. The month of September has pretty much been quite bearish, a lot of uncertainty. We did see a little bit of a bounce in Bitcoin, causing the entire market to get back into the green. We're looking at Kaspa up 7.2%. And this continues to show us why Kaspa is so bullish. You know, it's not only holding so strong when the market momentum is in the downwards trajectory, it's also outperforming majority of the coins when things start heating up. So let's waste no more time and let's take a look at what potentially could be next. Looking at the price, 4.3 cents, up a staggering 8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 4% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, $875 million with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 17.1 million. And what we're seeing with Kaspa is that the rank for Kaspa continues to climb, and that is something that is more than exciting in my opinion. But now let's take a look at what exactly is next. Are we seeing some massive exchanges that are accumulating Kaspa? Because why is this project holding so strong, you know, against the entire market? There has to be something that is going behind the scenes which is maintaining this price action. If we're looking at their Twitter, there's no such announcement, but today they did come out and say, exciting news, the book of Kaspa is now available as an audiobook. Dive deep into the world of Kaspa and immerse yourself in Kaspa like never before. Listen now, which is available on Audible if you do have it. But if you guys are not aware today, if you do follow me on my channel, you guys know I've been talking about VeChain for quite some time, and today is a historic day for VeChain and the community. You know, the community is so strong. I know there's not much price action happening with VeChain, but they finally got listed on Coinbase. And you know, the craziest thing is, the reason as to why I'm sharing this in the Kaspa update is because this is something that I want you guys to keep you know, very close attention to. So you know, last bull cycle, we were talking about Coinbase listing for VeChain, but that never came to be true. And, you know, we pretty much got that Coinbase listing almost 2 years later. And you can see this for yourself. 9:59, they did come out and say that Coinbase will be listing VeChain and VeThor on their platform tomorrow, which opens up, you know, a massive potential new investors that could come and obtain VeChain. But, you know, the reason as to why I'm saying this is because now we know it's quite clear that Coinbase, Binance were under some hot waters with the regulators. And finally, I think that might have kind of slowed down because they have come out and listed VeChain. So could Kaspa be next? You could see my tweet just 3 minutes ago. I said historic day for VeChain. Is Kaspa next? Go like this and literally show the Kaspa community support. So what I want you guys to do is, first and foremost, go in the link in the description box below, follow me on Twitter, crypto__ZX, and kill this tweet with insane amount of likes. Let's show the power of this community. So that's one you know, challenge that I have for you guys, to really go spam, you know, this tweet right here, and of course follow me on Twitter as well. But now let's take a look at what's happening with Kaspa, because I continue to get shocked the way Kaspa is performing. So you can see this for yourself. We did see Bitcoin, of course, see a bounce today, saw the price of Bitcoin go up to 26,500, and we did see Kaspa breaking out as well. And right now Kaspa is heading back to its previous all-time high at that 4.4 cents mark, which again is a resistance that is is being treated for Kaspa. And if this is able to break out, guys, be prepared for newer all-time highs sooner than a lot of people think, because I'm going to share something for you guys right now. If I bring out the measuring tool, in order for it to hit a new all-time high, it needs a move of about 26%. And remember, Kaspa on the weekly time frame is up 23.2%. It is the top performer in the top 100 coins. And like I've said earlier in this update, when I look at the charts of Kaspa, I get that FOMO feeling, insane amount of FOMO feeling. But guys, you know, fear of missing out is the worst feeling that you can face. I'm sure a lot of people in the cryptocurrency markets can relate to this, but you cannot win every project. You know, in my opinion, I think I have missed this opportunity on Kaspa, especially this May. Just this May, it was at 1.2 cents. And if I wasn't being stupid and not listening to some of my viewers that were telling me to look at Kaspa, you know, I could have honestly gotten it at that point. And anyone that got Kaspa around that point is up right now almost 300%. And this is why, you know, people are extremely excited. And the fact that this project is not even listed on the major exchanges and still pulling crazy numbers. And, you know, what makes people say that this won't pull an Avalanche or a Cardano? Cardano, some people are saying it's out of a stretch. Again, you know, possibly. But if this Bitcoin ETF were to be approved and Kaspa continues to get listed on major exchanges throughout the bull cycle, things can get exciting. And the fact that we're almost at 5 cents without one of the big exchanges that I've mentioned, you know, Coinbase, Binance, what does this tell us the future holds when it really gets listed on these exchanges? So, you know, the future is looking bright than ever, but you know, we will see what happens. Right now, let's not get too excited as far as the entire market reversal is concerned, because Bitcoin is still holding at some very important price levels. I still need BTC to get back into the 61.8, and we'll see. There's still a chance Bitcoin could fall lower, so that is one thing that we do need to keep in mind, because look at what's happening with dominance. Dominance is increasing, but Kaspa does not seem to be carrying, and it does not seem to be carrying literally since May of this year, because you can see this trajectory that it's forming, this massive upwards trend, and we could potentially be heading into a newer you know, price discovery mode. Obviously, if you guys know, price discovery mode is after it hits an all-time high, because there's no resistance or no support, so depends on how much of volume is on the side, and you know, things can really start heating up. But nonetheless, you know, I'm insanely impressed as to what Kaspa has done, and insanely get this massive FOMO feeling, and you know, feel like I've missed out on a great opportunity. I'm betting on Kaspa again. That's just my own personal opinion. Everyone has their own opinion, but at the end of the day, you need to be doing your own homework, doing your due diligence, research, and investing what you can afford to lose. But we will see what happens. Hopefully, you know, there is a little bit of drop. I know no one, the people that bought back Kaspa early on, you know, they probably are saying, Crypto ZX, are you crazy? You know, too bad you missed out. And again, I don't blame those people if they are saying that, but you know, I have that feeling inside me that can Kaspa just drop one last time, maybe even back down to this 2.8 cents mark. I will accumulate some Kaspa before this end of the year. But again, we need to we need to keep a close eye on BTC. But that is it for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys think, and how much Kaspa do you guys hold, and how much Kaspa do you think you need to really be successful in the bull market? Do you think 500,000 is good enough, 100,000, 200,000? And again, it depends where you live in the world and what, you know, your financial goals are. Even some people that have 50,000 Kaspa might do quite well in this next bull cycle. So let me know down below what you guys think. But with that said, I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.